When it comes to bushes, there's one name in the business that we always trust, and that's of course Superpro. Superpro use a unique elasto formula that means that the Superpro range of 4x4 specific bushes are perfect for us Aussies in the tough conditions that we drive. So why is the unique stiffness of the Superpro bushes so important? Well, in a full driving scenario, there's such high energy absorption in all your suspension components. And if the bush is too hard or too soft, it's not going to perform. The Superpro's unique blend of poly means that your four-wheel drive is going to articulate, it's going to handle, and it's going to perform at its absolute best. And you're going to have a performance that's similar to rubber, but the longevity of poly. And that's where the Superpro difference is. Now, how much do we trust these? Well, Superpro back all their bushes with a lifetime warranty. That's how good these bushes are. The entire range of Superpro 4x4 bushes are available at www.sparesbox.com.au.